a Model F clock movement made by the Self-Winding Clock Company. Patented in 1898, standard verge and escape wheel escapement, dual synchronizing coils, used to automatically synchronize multiple clocks connected to this master clock, the mainspring, the click assembly and ratchet wheel, cam mechanism that opens and closes the primary electrical points. I'll close the primary electrical points so we can see the winding mechanism in action. Primary electrical points, adjustable pendulum, entry pallet, exit pallet, escape wheel pivot, escape wheel pinion, verge pivot, resistor for the dual primary coils, original owner's tag, the winding mechanism in action.